It's actually 4:20. Please remind me to fix that when I get back.
Good morning. It's finally travel day 1 and I could not be any more excited. I actually just woke up from a dream saying that my flight was canceled and that's the only reason I'm up right now. Actually before my alarm will go off pretty soon, but let's just hope that's not the case. I checked my flight and everything. Oh my gosh, I'm actually very nervous now. It's like, why would I dream that? Anyways, let's get ready for this flight. I'm supposed to be there now, technically, but the airport's like 10 minutes away, so I'm not really rushing, and my bags are already packed. The only thing I still haven't decided is what like small side bag I will be carrying. I still haven't decided that. So once I make that decision, I can put all of like my techie charger kind of stuff in there, and yeah, I can head out. But I need to do like skincare and stuff really quickly, like rinse my face and get this like mask and stuff off of my face. My alarm just went off. It scared the mess out of me, but it's okay because I'm kind of done with skincare at this point. I think. I don't remember. I'll figure it out in a second. But here is what we're working with so far. I need to put this on right now. This is what I'm wearing. And these are my techie stuff. But like I have 2 black bags that I typically wear. This one's smaller and the other one's bigger. And they just don't have like the long strap anymore because, fun fact, the bags that I got from Shein, if you watch my Shein try on haul, I can actually give you a review. Like the long black straps that come with them are trash. They snap so easily. Like they just break so easily. It doesn't matter what you have in there, they're gonna break. So the long straps are literal trash, but like these are good to go. So I mean, I could still bring this and just have like the smaller strap if I want to do that. But I really wanted a long one. But at the end of the day, my iPad still fits in here, so that's good. But also, like, just this bigger bag that I just grabbed from being stuffed in my closet would also be, like, a lot more useful because I could just fit way more in there comfortably. So I think I'm going to pack up the bigger bag really quickly and time-lapse this part because I also have to clear out everything from here. The last time I carried this bag was, I'm pretty sure, in New York. So I have, like, a ton of, like, just random stuff in here and I need to just clear it out and I'll put it in a grocery bag and deal with it when I get back. Okay, wait, I'm torn now because I just realized that this big bag came with 2 straps that broke. This is the one that broke on the small bag. This is the strap. And then this is the one that broke on the big bag. It had a silver one, but like I just realized it came with 2, so I could easily just put this one on the smaller bag and then have like a long strap on that one. Now I'm torn. I don't know. Let's switch from one pair of sweatpants to the next. I'm tired of looking like this. Let's get dressed before and after. And by the way, I'm very glad I decided on the bigger bag because now I can just throw stuff in there and not have to worry about strategically packing like I would with a smaller bag just to make sure I have space for everything. Nope, it's big enough for me to just toss stuff in there. But somebody commented on my last video saying that they had a bag suggestion and hopefully they send it on Instagram. I responded like as soon as I woke up this morning because I was already looking at my phone thinking my flight was canceled. But throwback to when I got this necklace. I don't know if I showed you guys that or if I was like actually vlogging that day. I don't remember, but my intention with this necklace, if I wasn't vlogging and I didn't tell you, was they actually have bracelets and I wanted the bracelet version and I was going to go in there and grab 3 for me and my sisters because how cute would that be, like us traveling with a bracelet with like a flight on it. That's so cute. So I was going to grab 3 bracelets for me and my sisters, but they didn't have any more, so I'm kind of sad about that. And they ended up only having 1, so I was very sad about that. But I ended up just getting the 1, and if they have any more then I'll just give it to my sisters before our next trip. And I think it'll be really cute. Hopefully they do because these are cute, and it's sterling silver, so tarnish free sterling silver. So I won't be messing it up on this trip when I don't take it off to take a shower. Okay, it's a lot later now and I'm in the car, obviously. I just decided to eat breakfast at home. I wanted to do a quick little pit stop like at McDonald's and, you know, get a sausage biscuit and some hash browns, but honestly, I just decided to eat breakfast at home. And I had some kiwi, that's what you guys saw me eating. And then I also just had some water, and I really need some more water. I'm very thirsty. But yeah, so now I'm headed to the airport. It's almost 5:30 now. So I have an hour before boarding. And yeah, I'm feeling really good. The airport, I'm about 10 minutes away now. It was actually a 16-minute drive, not 10-minute drive. So yeah, I'm about 10 minutes away now. But yeah, so I will update you guys whenever I'm actually there. I'm here and it's so funny because it's literally so obvious how small this airport is. I don't know if I showed the sign and like the time lapse or whatever, but a parking here is $1 a day. And it's free for the first 30 minutes. Like, bro, that is so nice. But these flights out of this airport are typically more expensive because there aren't that many. But yeah, so now I just gotta grab the bag and actually go in. There's only one flight ticket home from here. This airport is so tiny. I don't think I've ever been in this is the smallest airport I think I've ever been in, actually. Anyways, so made it through TSA and all of that stuff in about 5 minutes. There was only 2 of us in line. And yeah, now I'm about to edit the 24-hour transformation vlog that's going up tomorrow and get ahead of schedule a little bit.
Flight number 6065 with service to Charlotte. Please get some in now, cut your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from the rest of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. I'm trying to make a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some little change to me, I want in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me. Truth is right, what it will be in front of me. All the while, I wait for my feet. Still wanna try.
So I haven't vlogged much in this airport because there's entirely too many people in here, and I just hate when people walk slow, and it's very irritating. But there's 40 minutes before boarding anyway, so I was perfectly fine. I just really wanted to be sitting down. Yeah, so I'm going to continue to edit and probably update you guys whenever I start boarding, probably. Also, I'm hungry, but there's no good food options, so I just really want some fruit. But yeah, I will just update you guys a little bit later. I normally never stand, but they already announced that the last 2 groups to board will have to check their bags, and I don't want to check my bag, so I actually care about getting on at the right time today. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no standing with you, you know you my thug, and I can't shake this habit. It's so pretty, but I was literally just about to take a nap. I was about to do this aesthetic thing chaotic because I'm ending it now and suddenly I'm at the Jacksonville airport. You guys saw me land, and yeah, I've just been sitting and editing, and now I am going to go meet up with some peeps, and yeah, I'm going to end this airport vlog here unless something crazy happens and I film it. Then this is the end of this vlog, and I'll see you guys in day one. Yes, I'll see you guys in day one. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys.